Hi everybody and welcome to Free Range Diva. My name is Cheryl and today I'm going to be talking about yet another LED red light therapy skin rejuvenating device. But this one is different. This one, I don't think you've seen anything like this before. So let's jump into it. Here it is. This is called the longest name in history, Luxalift 5-in-1 Skin Rejuvenation Device from a company called Via. This was sent to me to try it out, and initially I couldn't figure out what to do with it, and then I started reading exactly what it does, and I'm obsessed with it right now. So that's why I wanted to talk to you about this today, even though I've been using it I've been playing around with it for about a week. Today is the first day that I really did like a full-on treatment, and I'm going to commit to doing 2 treatments a day for the next week because that's what they recommend, and according to the website, at that point I should start to see some changes. So let's talk about this little device and what it actually does. This device is for over-the-counter cosmetic use on face and the neck. You can use it on other parts of the body, but it was designed for your face and neck. And the reason you can tell is because of the shape of this. It fits perfectly up against the angles of the face and the neck area. What this does is it gives you LED light therapy. It has EMS, low-level microcurrent therapy. It also does heat therapy, ice therapy, and massage therapy, hence the 5-in-1. So let's talk about, I'm going to put this down while I tell you about all the different modes and the way that this works. So when you turn this on, you can first of all pick what kind of light therapy you want to use, or you don't have to use light therapy at all. You can simply use the massage and the ice and the heat. So actually no, you can't, not the heat. I'll get to that in a second. So it has red light and heat combined with massage. That's the first way that you can use this, and that's the way that I use it most of the time. You can adjust the intensity of the massage. The warmth from the heat mode stimulates blood vessels, while the red light stimulates collagen production. And you guys know a ton about red light therapy already, so I'm not going to go into the benefits of that. I've done other videos on it, and there are millions of videos out there that talk about it. But yeah, basically red light stimulates collagen production, which firms up the skin. The massage element of this encourages better absorption of skincare products, so you'll always want to use a hydrating serum or moisturizer when you're using this device. And the result of using the device in the red light therapy mode is that your skin looks rejuvenated, and with continued use, you should see firming. After I tell you all about the device, I'm going to do a demo of it in all these different modes so you can see what they all look like. The next is the blue light mode, which uses EMS, electronic muscle stimulation, to send low-level microcurrent pulses to stimulate and exercise the muscles. This helps to tone and sculpt and to provide a natural lift. Blue light therapy in itself works to improve texture and helps to reduce oiliness. But it's basically just very soothing, calming to the skin, which is good because the EMS part of this, you feel it, especially when you turn the massage and the intensity up to high. The higher the massage and the intensity, the more you feel it, and it feels like pin pricks. So you can definitely feel something happening. And again, you concentrate that on muscles. For me, that means these muscles here. These are the 2 parts of the machine that I use in my personal anti-aging, stimulating routine, rejuvenating routine. But there are 2 other light and massage modes. There is the orange mode, which specifically targets wrinkles, and the green mode, which reduces hyperpigmentation. Now, all of these claims about the use of different LED light therapies can be backed up. There's plenty of research out there. It's all on the internet. So you can definitely check it out yourself. And of course, the results that you get will be determined by how often and how long you use the device. On the website, a treatment should last 10 minutes, and they recommend that you do a treatment 2 times a day, morning and evening. Now, the massage element of this guy can be done alone without any LED lights at all. And I did a video not that long ago about gua sha, about using a stone to help with lymphatic drainage. Well, this is like a gua sha treatment, but with a lot more intensity. So you do it, if you saw that video, you use this in the same way. If you're going to use the massage mode, which is you gently glide it over the face, you're using a facial oil or something so you're not pulling on the skin, you go up and down, but using this to give yourself a quote-unquote gua sha treatment, because gua sha can be done with any solid object, including a stone, whether it's a crystal stone, a piece of metal. The idea is to just get the blood flowing and the lymph fluids to start moving down and out of the face and down into the lymph nodes. Finally, this cooling tip. If you are familiar with ice rolling or have had an ice roller, then you know what this is about. This ice therapy can calm and reduce redness. It can tighten the skin and reduce puffiness. It also can help with pain and headache relief. And I have to say, after using, those are the 3-part treatment that I give myself, is the red light therapy, the blue light EMS, followed by the ice treatment. And when I'm done, my skin feels tingly and alive and rejuvenated. It's amazing, amazing. So let's show you the demo. So let's cut away and I'll show you a demo of me giving myself a treatment with the 5-in-1 Luxalift. And then we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more. All right, here we go. All right, we are going to start with my clean and very thirsty face. First thing, my Ride or Die Biossance Hydrating Toner, Squalane BHA. My face is really needing this right now. Yes, yes. This mark up here, by the way, is not a wrinkle. I just got out of the shower, and so this is where I have my shower cap. So it should plump up and fade. First serum, the Argireline Serum Ride or Die from Asterwood Naturals. It's my 3rd or 4th bottle. Since Argireline is all about the wrinkles, I tend to center this where the muscles do a lot of movement, which is where wrinkles can start to show. Yes. Next, quickly becoming a Ride or Die. This is the Peak Sense Organic Rose Phyto Bakuchiol Babchi Serum, and I'm going to cocktail that with this Matrixyl 3000 serum from Timeless. All right, so I put like a nice pump, see how thick that is, of the Phyto, and then a couple of drops of the Timeless. And this goes all over the face. Not gonna rub this in. I would need a little more. I need more, because I am going to do a treatment, so I want to make sure I have lots of serum slip floating around on my face. Okay, my face is really thirsty. It's absorbing this stuff like nobody's business. Put more. My my skin is thirsty, not my face is thirsty. You know what I mean. Okay. I start my treatment with the, first let's turn this on. That's how you know it's on. I'm going to switch to, I'm going to increase the massage a little bit to the second bar and start with the red LED light. So that you can hear the sound of the massage unit. And just for the sake of the demo, let's increase the bar on the massage one more. You tell the difference in the sound. Now at this point, the serum has pretty much absorbed all the serums. And I'm concentrating on the lower part of my face because that's where the sagging is, or where you can see the sagging. Although my neck, if you remember the treatments that I did on my neck is looking really good. All right, so the heat, that's pretty warm. I'm gonna switch now to the blue, green, orange, and there's the blue. Before I do that though, I'm gonna apply a little bit of facial oil because like I said, my skin's really absorbed. Oh, this is Best Skin Ever from Living Libations. There we go. No, don't need to rub it in. I'm just patting it on because this next treatment is going to do that. This is the EMF blue light treatment. Massaging, bring it up to level. Actually, this is controlling the EMF now, and I'm going to bring it up to the third bar. And the massage. Concentrating this on muscles. And I can, even at the third bar, I can feel the EMF like it's like a little pin prick. And I'm going to bring it up to the fourth bar at the end, just to get the maximum. And now I can really, you can feel it. Definitely feels like little needles. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, it's hurting. So yeah, you can feel the EMF here. It is really strong, but if you can start at a low setting, at a 1 bar setting, and now I don't feel I think my muscles are really stimulated at the moment, but you don't feel that tick, that pricking as much. And then the last thing that we're gonna do is I'm going to put it on the ice, and it's now starting to cool. Ugh. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. This we really needed. And if you've ever done, oh God, this feels so good right now. Ugh. If you've ever done that, done an ice roller, then you'll know how good this feels. And it gets so cold that it also discharges a little bit of moisture. Like you can, if I just let this sit here in the setting, water droplets, you'll see water droplets starting to form. I think this may be my favorite part. My skin and the muscles underneath my face feel tingly and alive and rejuvenated. So as you can see, you want to glide in an upward motion, going slowly. You want to have something on your face so that your skin is not being pulled. On the website, they also have some advice for you, which is not to stare at the LED lights or to use this in this area of the above, on the eyelid, above the eye. And they also have telephone and email support if you have questions. The device comes with a 12-month warranty and care instructions, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. The cost of this is $78.95. I am going to contact the company tomorrow. Today is Sunday. I'm going to contact the company tomorrow and see if I can get an additional discount for you. Again, you want to use something so the device doesn't drag on the skin. Also, a nice thing about if you're using serums with this device, it can encourage deeper penetration of those serums or oils or any moisturizing ingredient that you use. It also comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth, a USB charging cable, and its own stand. Who should not use this? If you go to their website, to the frequently asked questions page, they have a list of people that are not good candidates for this device. For example, pregnant women, anyone under the age of 18, or anyone who has like a pacemaker or any other implanted electronic devices. And there's a list of other people that should not use this as well. So they do take the fact that this device is very strong and it means business. Yeah, there's a new LED device in town, and this one means business. So if Foomvaya sounds like something that you might be interested in, then I'll link their website. I'll also link their frequently asked questions page down below as well. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. I'm going to head out because I'm going to a 2024 neighborhood garden tour and market and farmers and vendor market this afternoon. So I'm very excited about that. So yeah, I'm going to let you go, and I'm going to go. And until as always, I thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for commenting. If you have any thoughts on this, then please, especially if you have thoughts and questions, put those in the comments below. Love reading about it. What is your take on LED devices? Have you tried them? I've tried a few. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. And if you're having fun things happening this weekend, let me know about those too. As always, I thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a thumbs up. That lets me know that I'm doing something right. And if you really enjoyed it, consider sharing it on your social media so your friends can come over here and hang out with you at Free Range Diva too. And if you'd like to see more from me, then please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. And until I see you in my next video, I'm going to wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye.